My tip for cooking fish, and trout specifically, is that you should score the skin. It's a little bit easier if you pinch the fish because you don't want to actually break through the skin. It helps the fish to cook evenly, and you get that beautiful crispiness on the skin that is just incredible. One of the things you have to do when you're cooking fish is get the pan really, really hot and put it down skin side first. You're going to cook that probably for about 2/3 of the time and just flip it over to cook it the rest of the way through. That way your fish is succulent and beautiful. I decided to use tamarind in this recipe because it's something that my grandmother used in her cooking. It's got a really sour taste to it. So I've got some honey and some soy here, so you've got some sweet and some salt, and together you're going to get this really balanced, beautiful tamarind caramel. This recipe is only going to be available for 1 week, so head on down to YouCook and make that order.